In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a background on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're aiming to customize your virtual workspace for a more professional appearance during meetings, or simply looking to infuse a bit of personal flair into your daily interactions, changing your background on Microsoft Teams is a straightforward process. Let's dive right into the steps to customize your virtual space effortlessly. First and foremost, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once there, look for the Sign In button and click on it. You'll be prompted to use your account credentials to log in, so go ahead and enter those details. Logging in will grant you access to all the features and settings necessary for personalizing your Teams background. After successfully signing in, it's time to find your community space within Teams. Look for the community section. This might be directly visible on your dashboard, or you might need to click through a couple of menus depending on how your Teams is set up. The community section is where all the collaborative magic happens, and it's also where you'll be able to customize your environment. Once you're in the community area, it's now time to select the specific community you want to update. If you're part of multiple communities, it might take a moment to locate the right one, but once you do, click on it. This will take you into the community's unique space where you can access its settings and personalization options. Upon accessing your community, you'll notice a banner area at the top of the page. Directly below this banner, there should be an edit button. This button is your gateway to changing up the background. Clicking on it will prompt a series of options related to the community's appearance, including the background or banner image. Now it's time to choose your new background. You'll be directed to browse through your computer's files to select the perfect image. Whether it's a professional backdrop that aligns with your organization's brand, or a serene landscape to set a calm meeting tone, make your choice and then proceed to upload the selected image as your new background. Finally, with your new background selected, the only step left is to click on Done. This confirms your choice and updates the community's virtual environment with your new background. And just like that, you've successfully customized your meeting space on Microsoft Teams. Remember, the background you choose can significantly impact the tone and feel of your meetings. Opt for something that aligns with the purpose of your community, professional for business settings, and perhaps more relaxed or personal for informal gatherings. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to uploading a background on Microsoft Teams to personalize your virtual meeting space. Whether you're looking to make your meetings more professional or just a bit more fun, changing your background is a great way to start. Thank you for joining me today, and happy customizing.